So this is what we have got out so far. This is all the heart of the wader wire, and Dad's just going to his last one over there, Dad. And he said we cut it right, but it's the right length. But we should have went a little bit more higher. Yeah. So because basically we're not eating the whole wader wire, we're only just using the tip. Just the tip, okay? Just the tip.
It's not easy, Dad.
Well, you make it look easy, Dad.
So that big heap of wader wire, that's all the rubbish that we've taken off it, and this is what we're left with. A few very small bits and pieces, and this here is going to be added to the smoked wild pig soup, and this is so freaking delicious. Let's go.